I feel that the teachers are open to anything. Hi, I'm Jasmine Rashid. I'm the mom of Alia Zahara, and we live in Changlun, Kedah. When I was Googling IGCSE online, it took me to a Facebook page, and on that Facebook page there was a Pasxcel either comment or sharing or something, and I went through the website and I looked up the social media, your Instagram, your YouTubes that showed like snippets, like 3-minute classes of your real classes going on, and it looked like it was a very different approach to teaching. And after that, I don't think I actually looked up any other schools. He just like threw a question or something and then waited for the students to either tell him the answer or just tell him what they know about whatever he's asking. And that made me feel like, I think this is probably more engaging than a teacher just talking to students, especially if it's online. You know, if you're in class, then maybe you could like stop them and like ask them more questions. But if it's online, then it's best that they let the students. When she first started online learning at her old school, the teachers kind of used the same approach, just teaching it and then asking if are there any questions, is there anything that you don't understand, and then the teacher just reiterates what she already said before. So I mean, that's how she taught, and she still doesn't understand, and then she just doesn't ask anymore. Like if she asks it, then she's just gonna say the same thing, right? And she also had some teachers, this is most probably got to do with the school itself, as in the teacher that they hired were not really qualified or even really don't know how to teach. So like, and they were teaching the wrong things because she had an English teacher whose grammar was not good, and she was like expecting the students to use like bombastic words, big words, and always big words. It was completely different because there was none of that talking about the subject and just asking, do you understand? Do you have any questions? It's all throughout the lesson, it seemed that the teacher was checking the understanding of the students, but in a different way, not just asking, talk about the topic and trying to relate it to how a 14-year-old would relate it. Well, for Pasxcel, everything is like online, like you have all the exercises or the notes or the textbooks that's accessible online. You use a platform that's easily accessible and user-friendly. I think in a practical sense is we save a lot more time because she wakes up and she just logs on and she's at school, you know. Otherwise, it's like sending her to school and then sending the brother to school and then picking them up and then, you know, preparing the lunch and all that. So that's like kind of efficient time-wise. When enrolling at Pasxcel, I don't think it was much of a concern because she already had friends from her old school. To me, social skills is not just, you know, being physically there and talking and chatting, but if you can still be social even on the computer, I think that is still social skills. Maybe learning in a different way and actually teaching your child to have the skills, the life skills. I feel that the teachers are open to anything. You can respond in any way and you can say anything you like. I mean, you still have to be polite again, but you can voice out your opinion. And those are the things that they should be encouraged. And I teach at university, and these students, not all again, but majority like don't have those skills, like even communication skills, not just English, okay, just like writing an email. So something's gone wrong somewhere, so I just don't want Alia to be that student.